So welcome all. We have already started our fourth lesson, that is multiplication and division. In the before lecture we have seen the multiplication part. So now we are going to start with our division. So just see near the board. 4095 divided by 27. So earlier classes you have seen the division, but right now here the divisor is 27. 27 is the divisor and 4095, that is 4095, is the dividend. So for doing such divisions, basically you are supposed to write the table of that particular divisor. So I have written over here. I have not completed the table. I am supposed to tell you if you are writing this in your exam time, and if you forget the table, if you have already learned the table and if you forget on the spot, so please don't get fumble or please don't be in worry, just you can follow this method. So I have wrote a table of 27 over here. You can follow this method in front of us also, and you can otherwise you can write down in the rough page also. Just see now over here, 27 is the divisor. I have written down the table of 27. Now how we are going to write the table, just see. 27 ones are 27. What I did in this 27, I added 27. If you can see, 27 plus 27, I got 54. So 54 is the next number. What I am going to do, 27 threes are, in this 54 I am going to add 27. So it will be 81. So 81 is the next number. So now 27 fours are 81 plus 27. How I am going to do? I can do it as 108. I can write over here 108. Okay? You can do this by multiplication also. If you are knowing multiplication properly, you can follow that method also. You can see now 27 fives are 27 fives are 5 sevens are 35. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 3, 135. Okay? You can also write back the next one. You can add again 27 over here in this number. So you are going to get the next number of 27. So it will be 162. Now, next number of 27, how we are going to write down it? 162 plus 27, 189. Next number of 27, 216. Again next number of 27, go on adding 27. So this will be 243 and the last will be 270. Now this actually is the lengthiest method, but this is the one method which you can be reliable on. You can depend on this method on the time of your exam or during the time of your exam. Sometimes students forget the tables, so you can try this method. Why we are writing these tables, you will understand it now. So this all calculation, just rub it out, and now you can focus near the main sum, that is 4095 divided by 27. So now just see, I am going to present it in such a way, 4095. Before starting division, focus on the first number. Can I divide 27 divided by, is 27 divisible by 4 or is 4 divisible by 27? Sorry, earlier I have said it in the wrong way. Is 4 divisible by 27? Not divisible. So I am going to take the pair of 2, 40. 27 ones are 27. Is it divisible? Can I minus it from it? Yes. 27 ones are 27 and 27 twos are 54. So I am going to take 27 twos are 27 ones are. Yes, I am going to take 27 ones are 27. I am going to do the subtraction. 10 and 3. This calculation please don't do in front of us. You can do it in the rough way. So 3 and this will be 1. 13 is remaining. I am going to carry one number, that is 9 down. Now see 27, how much are near to 139? You can see over here 139. You can see the one number which is near to 139, that is 27 fives. So I can take 27 fives 135. 9 minus 5 is 4 and this will be 6. Now you can copy down this next number, that is 5 over here. Now just tell me 27 how much is that? 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54. We want the lowest number. So I am going to write 27 ones are 27 ones are 27. So 15 and this will be 3. 15 minus 7 is 8 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the remainder is 18 and the quotient is 154. So this will be your quotient. This will be your remainder. I hope you have understood this. We will solve one more question like this. Okay, now just see near the board 4316 divided by 43. Now 43 is stable normally we are not knowing, so what we are supposed to do? I have written again the same method. So we are going to add and we are going to form the 43 stable. 43 ones will be 43 for sure. 43 twos are. You can multiply also. It will be 6, 8, 86. 43 threes are. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 129. If you want, you can add also. Add 43 in this 129 plus 43. 12, 172. Okay, so you can add again 43 in it. It will be 215. Add 43. 258. Add 43. 301. Add 43. 344. Add 43, then again 344. 387 and add 43. Sorry, it will be 430. So now this is a table of 43. Cancel out this. So I am going to start with my calculation. I am going to write 43 over here. 2316 over here. Now basically I am going to see the first number. Is 2 divisible by 43? Not divisible. So I am going to focus on these two numbers. 23. Is 23 divisible by 43? Or in 43 table is 23 coming? You can see over here. Is 23 coming over here? No. So now focus on these three digits. 231, that is 231. You can see 231 nearby somewhere here. Yes, you can see this number which is near to 231. So it is 43, 5 is a 215. So do the subtraction and the next number is 258. So I cannot do subtraction from here. So this will be 11, this will be 2, so it will be 6, 1, 2 minus 2 will be 0. So now 16 remain over here. This 6 I am going to copy down. 166. Can you tell me 166? Which is the nearest number from this one? Yes, it is 43 threes are. So 43 threes are 129. Again I am going to do the subtraction. This will be 16, this will be 5. So 16 minus 9 is 7, 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is your remainder, this is your quotient. So I hope you have understood this part. Now one more word problem we are going to see from this lesson. Okay, so now see the word problem. How many hours will it take to travel 336 km at the speed of 48 km per hour? Always remember, if in the question it consists per, each, one, per, per, each, each, one, 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 like these words, you are supposed to divide it. So just you can see over here how many hours will it take to travel 336 km at the speed of 48 km per hour. Per hour means in 1 hour. When they are telling you to find for one value, each, one, per, always you are supposed to do the division part. So here we are supposed to divide, that is 336 divided by 48. So for now 48, again we require the table of 48. So we will do again this method, that is 48 ones are 48. 48 twos are will be 96. Now 48 threes are. You can divide 48 threes are is how much? 3 eights are 24. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2, 144. 48 fours are, add 48 in this. You can add also or you can multiply also with 4. This will be 2, 1 over here, 9, 192. Now 48 fives are 240. 48 6 are 6 8s are 48. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4. Yes, it is 28. It's 288. Again add 48 in it. It will be 6 1. That is 3 1, 336. 48 8 आ गए, add. You can see 48 in 8. 418, 384. 384 plus 48. It is 432 and 48 tens are 480. Now the table is over. We are supposed to do the calculation. Now you can see we are going to write this 48 over here and 336 over here. 48 how much are 336? If you can see over here 48 sevens are 336. So clearly we are getting the answer. 48 sevens are 336. So the question was asked to you how many hours it will take to travel 336 km at the speed of 48 km per hour. Your answer will be it will take 7. So I hope you have understood the part of division also. So the workbook part I will send soon. Thank you.